How to get a high value man to approach you. Hello, my name is Greta Berisheda. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high value woman secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload new videos. So, without further ado, let's talk about how to get a high value man to approach you. So, number one thing that I would like to say is it's a man that finds his wife, as it says in the Bible. So, it's more about a man finding you, a man approaching you, and then if you like him back, then something can happen, right? It's not really up to you to go out there, hunt for guys, try to seduce him, approach him, talk to him, etc. It's actually a masculine energy. It comes across as a pursuit, and if anything, it turns men off. So if, for example, I had this lady recently, she said, Greta, there is a new guy in the church and I really like him. How do I get to have him? It's not up to you to plan how to have him, how to approach him, how to seduce him, how to make him like you. It's more about him looking at you, seeing are you his type, and then him observing you. And if he feels like he fancies you, etc., then he is the one making those moves and approaching you, and you're just behaving feminine. Anyway, leaving this all aside, there are some little things that you can do to inspire him to approach you more, or just to have more options of men approaching you. So, the number one, as shallow as it sounds, look your best. Look pretty, in other words. So, if you need to upgrade your wardrobe, upgrade your wardrobe. Wear clothes that hug your figure. If you put on some extra pounds, have a goal to lose those extra pounds. If something is off a bit with your hair, have it done, work on it, like look your best. Try and look your best. And saying that, ladies, even if you don't look your best, you just you don't look your best, you will get men approaching you, but you're not going to have as many choices as if you would look your best. When you look your best, you have choices left, right, and center, and then you can be fussy and choose from the guys that are approaching you. If you don't look your best, then you maybe will have one or two options at max. So that's where the difference comes in. Number two, it's confidence, not arrogance. Smile and be friendly. So it's easy for him to make that move, come and approach you. He doesn't feel intimidated by you. And number three, watch your language. Think what you say, filter your words. If you will not behave and will not speak as a high value woman, you will lose him. Which is why I created a high value woman course for sale, which is available for sale on my website. The link will be in the video description box bio. So ladies, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Kisses. Have a beautiful day. Love you loads. Bye.